We're at Kbhome in Katy Manor South. And we got a plan 2130. This is a sales office, but let's go through it. Beautiful home, 2,130 square feet. All right. 11-foot ceiling. We have 2 rooms. This one's set up as a study, but it's a bedroom. There's a closet right over here. Full bathroom. Let me see this tile all the way up, no cheap surrounds, and then we have a nice door. Beautiful room, full-size bed. So you can see there's room for furniture over here and over there. And another big closet. And these are 9-foot ceilings. Roman doors, looking good. Now this home has a bunch of upgrades. And here they are. And you can pause it right there and look for yourself to see what's extra in the house. But here's a list. Let's keep going. To my left, we have a utility closet. That's the garage, which is a 20 by 20 garage, and we have a study over here. Now there's no closet in this one, but there's a recessed area back here. Here's the utility room. Your washing machine goes over here, dryer, and then you'll have a little bit of extra room over here. 9-foot ceilings. Big kitchen. 42-inch cabinets. Walk-in pantry. You can make whatever color you want, black stainless steel. There's another one that's called, I think, black granite, which looks kind of like a dark silver. Walk-in pantry. Granite. This house has surround sound in the ceiling. It's got the mounts for it and elevated plugs over here for the television. You could get a patio on this house, but this one doesn't have it. But nice view. Energy savings. So this is an energy savings comparison for a used home, basically about 174 bucks. This is around $88 a month estimated. Of course, that always depends on your habits, but it's a very efficient home. And here's our Kbhome score. And this is a HERS index. So a little bit of a glare, you can see that. Wi-Fi thermostat. And this room is huge. This is a master. So this home is set up as a 3-bedroom with a study. It could be a 4th bedroom if you want. But this is big furniture. There's furniture here. There's still a gap over here. There's a king-size bed. It's 7 foot. There's another piece of furniture and a gap on the side. More furniture over here. Furniture over here. And this space is very large. Here's a little linen closet. And a big closet. Let's go over to the bathroom. There's 3 configurations of this bathroom. We have it set up kind of standard right now. where you have a tub shower combination. There's the shower up there. You can also have just a big shower there. And then the other version is a tub and shower here. But here's the sink. Toilet has a door on it so you don't shut the door down. And then over here, big pantry. Well, not really a pantry, it's more of a linen closet. And there you have it, plan 2130 Kbhome of Katy Manor South. If you have any questions, just leave me questions in the comments below. Thanks.